before. It's discussed in Head Note 46.
That's his sad face.
So I would require that type of hearing before her testimony based on the evidence
And that's his
presented by
fuck
the
y'all
defendants in this case.
and his
Oh
no.
This time has no other information of any
No.
other such conversations that may have occurred with other potential witnesses.
Thank you, sir.
If they did occur, then there may be a possibility of a future request for
He's gonna cry.
hearings for those witnesses as well. But that's not an issue before the court, as the only information submitted.
I feel like he's gonna really cry.
Transcript and recording of the conversation with Ms. Shiflett. So finally, there were some concerning things in the recording in regards to the.
I really just want to see what he's gonna
comments
do.
made by Mr. Wood about Mr. Means. I'm not going to issue an order to apologize or anything to that effect, but it's certainly my practice to always encourage a civility amongst counsel in my cases, and I'll just leave it up to Mr. Wood to determine whether or not he thinks that is an appropriate thing to do in order for continued civility and professionalism going forward in this case. Finally, of course, if the Idaho State Bar were to take any action, this court would be advised of that by the State Bar Association, and this issue may be subject to being reopened for further findings and conclusions if I received any such information. But any decision regarding a sanction for any violation of the ethical rules, if they did occur, is left to the sound determination and discretion of the Idaho State Bar. So that will be the court's ruling on these motions. Mr. Evans, I would ask that you prepare an order indicating that the motions are denied, and also include in the order the indication that the court would require a pretrial hearing to have an in-camera interview of Ms. Shiflett before trial, or well, don't necessarily say it would be an in-camera interview, just say that a pretrial hearing would be required if she is in fact to testify at trial.
Very good, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Mr. Pryor, do you have any questions on the court's ruling?
Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Means, any questions on my ruling today?
No, Your Honor. Thank you for your efforts.
Thank you. And Mr. Evans, does the state have any questions on my ruling?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Counsel, we do have some other hearings we need to get scheduled, including, I guess, hearing on motion to compel, change venue, and motions to dismiss. My preference, given the time, and I'd like to just arrange a conference call with counsel to look at calendaring and get these matters set. So I'll be available in the coming week. I'll reach out to counsel and let's look at our calendars and see when we want to get these additional motions scheduled.